Give me 75 seconds and I'll show you the exact hook framework I've used with some of the biggest YouTubers in the world to make their intros unskippable. Every time we've done this, their first 30 seconds retention has jumped from average to exceptional, consistently passing 60%. It's called the PVSS method, which stands for proof, value, structure, and stakes, and I'm going to walk you through each one. I'll even show you how I'm using it right now. Proof. Show why viewers should listen to you, your credentials, the results, your unique experiences. Why should they trust you? Value. Promise what they walk away with so they know it's worth staying. Structure. Give them a clear roadmap, the steps, the lists, or the systems, so they trust you won't be wasting their time. Then stakes. Make clear what they'll miss if they click off the video. For example, if you made a video on how to create the perfect pizza, you'd say that your proof is years working in a New York pizzeria. The value is the promise of the perfect recipe, and then the structure is the 3 steps you're going to cover. Stakes is warning them all about ending up with a soggy slice if they don't learn this recipe. If you skip this framework, people will keep skipping you, which means low retention, no trust, and no growth. And that's how you make your hooks unskippable, and you just learned it in 75 seconds.